How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you guys how to reset the oil light on a 2016 Toyota rav4. So first we're going to be working with these keys and this back button as well. So I got the maintenance required warning. We're going to go back. We're going to be toggling the keys to the right. You see up on the top, keep going right until you get to that settings gear. We'll scroll down until we get to vehicle settings. Click on the center button. Then you see scheduled maintenance. Click on the center button on that one. Reset data, yes. And that's good to go. Of course, if you're doing the customer's car, I suggest just going back, bring it back to the main screen. Good to go. Hope this helps. Leave a like, subscribe. Have a good one.